YouTube, what's up? What's good? I'm back. I'm quarantined. I'm locked in. I guess I gotta shoot videos. What's up, though? Today we're bringing a video to y'all, man. I had this product for a while, man. I know y'all seen it everywhere. It was on Shark Tank. It's been all over the UFC's octagons, and I've seen commercials left and right. I like their slogan. I like everything about them. And without further ado, let's have the introduction. We got the Manscaped. Oh yeah, the lawnmower, and it is mowing the lawn. The chicken nuggets, as my young nephew would say, or the balls. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But I've had it for about I want to say about a month and a half now. It's the Lawnmower 2.0. It retails at $59.99. Right now they do have the Lawnmower 3.0 out, and I think that's like $79.99. But this is worth everything. So we're gonna do an unboxing, even though I already unboxed it. So let's keep it 100. Let's keep it 1,000. But yeah, man, I highly recommend this thing. It is so good. Like, it's by far the best shaver that I've ever had for the price of $60. I don't know. I think the Lawnmower 2.0 is still on their site, or I don't know if they already moved up to the Lawnmower 3.0, even though the Lawnmower 3.0 look a lot slicker than this one. But this one is still nice. But, I mean, you can shop around and see Google. You can go directly to their site and find them. So here we go, man. Like I said, it's the Manscaped Lawnmower 2.0, redefining the gentleman. I like that. Hold that up to the screen so y'all can check it out. Here, let's go on the back and read some of the things that it does have. It has the adjustable guard for hair length preference, skin-safe anti-nick feature to prevent nicks and snags, snap-in blade, replaceable module for hygienic maintenance, non-slip molded assembly for easily handling, LED charging indicator. They say it's hypohygienic. 6,000 RPM motor, rechargeable USB, 60-minute usage on each full charge, 100% waterproof. You can use it in the water. I haven't tried that yet. I haven't used it in the shower or anything like that. Quiet stroke technology. I can attest to that. It's very quiet. You guys gonna see when I start it up. Uniquely designed for those sensitive and hard to reach areas. Absolutely. And then I want to go back to the second thing that I mentioned about it, the skin safe anti-nick feature. This does not nick you at all. I've had the bronze shaver. I've had another shaver that I've gotten at the store, like you see them at Marshall's or Walmart's, the men's shavers in the men's section. And you guys know what I'm talking about when you get the shaving and you'll feel that nicking and pulling like, most of the times, you know what I'm saying, I don't even shave, the boys, you know what I'm saying? That's what we'll call them, the boys. I don't shave the boys in the hood, you know what I'm saying? I'm like a king lion out here, okay? My mane, that's my prize. But with this, I gave it a shot, man, and it was fine. I threw a guard on there. I just took a little off the top, you know what I'm saying? Gave it a little quick fade, a little quick high top fade. But okay, let's get into it, man. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Like I said, I already know everything in here. I had it before. So this is the box that it comes in. Plastic container. And this is it, man. This is it, man. This is the product. Let me hold it up so you guys can see it real good, man. It's nice and slick. Black. Just got the little press button on the front. Listen if you guys can hear that. Real quiet. Kind of sound like a quieter liner, like maybe an Andis liner or something. You see the green light on there as it's on. Barely can hear it. Barely can hear it. But it's beautiful, man. The hair comes off seamlessly, like easy, like in one shave, if you want to say. And then they have two guards in here. This is the 3.6 mm guard, and this is the 9 to 12 mm guard. If you don't want, like I said, if you don't want to take it all off, you don't want to be bare down there, depending on your preference. Some people like balls, some people just want a little off, some don't want none, depending on your preference. I don't know. That's up to you. You make that decision. I'm not going to be involved in that. And then you have the little bag that you can carry it around in with your, like you can put it in your dop kit, like you could drop it in, like if you need to travel, drop it in here and throw it in your dop kit. If you guys don't know what a dop kit is, let me know in the description. I'll describe that, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what that is. And in the bag, you have the USB charger. Real simple, man. You just plug it up, plug it in, and plug it to a USB port. You got USB ports in your cars. You got USB ports everywhere, on your laptops, pretty much everywhere if you need to charge it. But the charge lasts a while, man. Like this, like I said, I've had it a month and a half, and I only have to charge it once. So, it's saying 60 minutes. I'm guessing if that's you running straight, I don't know who's shaving for 60 minutes. Like, I mean, if you real hairy, possibly. But, you know, like I said, I've had it for a month and a half now, and it's still good off of one charge. Like, it hasn't, you hear it, everything's good, you know. And it's so slick, man. Like, you know, I even tried it when I first got it. I'm not going to stunt. Before I put it on the boys in the hood, I tried it just like a little bit on my liner just to see how sharp the blade was. Like, okay, let's see how sharp the blade was. Because if it's anti-nick, I'm just guessing, like, you know, they're recommending it for shaving, you know, body parts and whatnot. So I said, let's see. But it actually, I don't, like I said, if you go back to my haircutting video, I don't really mess around with my hair. I leave that strictly to my barber. You know what I'm saying? I like my stuff expertise. I like the linings crisp. But just right up here, you guys can see I tend to get a little peakish, little Eddie Monster right here. So I kind of touched it up before I touched anything else with it, and it came right off. It came right off. So this is a good blade, man. Like I said, it's definitely worth the price. You know, I'll have the link in the description for their website. But man, I highly suggest you guys give this thing a chance, man. I love it, man. Like I said, I'm comparing it to, I said the Braun. I also said, you know, the ones that you get at Marshall's, maybe the generic brand ones. And then, too, I know a lot of guys use, like, their liners, like the Andis clippers and different things to shave, or even the close shavers that you see online. But I've used all of those. And by comparison, those can't compete with this. I'm not paid to do this. This is no paid promo. I bought this out of my own pocket, and I've been testing it out for a month and a half, and I love this thing, and it's real quick. I even shaved a little bit of the taco meat off for y'all, so y'all can see real quick. Just like right before I shot this video, it was done. You know what I mean? So man, get this thing a try, man. If you guys in the market looking for a shave or something to, you know, get you straight real quick. I know we all quarantine mode and really can't go outside, but it's still gonna be a summer. I'm hopeful we still gonna be able to go outside. I ain't into all of that media and news stuff. So man, if you guys are into the market and looking for something, man, I highly suggest you get this guy a try, man. The Manscaped 2.0. Like I said on the site, they have the Manscaped 3.0. So I don't know if you still can get the 2.0, but you guys can check around, shop around. I'm pretty sure you can. And this one was $59.99. And that's all I got for y'all today, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. Randomly Fly, signing out.